Welcome to the OpenClaw dashboard. This is where we manage our AI agents and engage in direct chat sessions for quick interventions. As you can see, each agent is powered by a set of core files, like soul.md, which defines their identity, personality, and specific rules. To create a more specialized agent, we head over to the CrewClaw generator. This tool allows us to build a complete workspace for any role, such as a project manager or a developer. I'll select the software engineer template. From here, we can customize the AI model, set a technical tone, and toggle specific skills like code generation or web search. Once the configuration is ready, we simply click Copy Terminal Command. This copies the entire deployment script to our clipboard. Now, we head back to our terminal and paste the command. This instantly updates the agent's soul and configuration on our local system. Returning to the dashboard, we start a new session. Our new software engineer is now live and ready to assist. Let's run a quick test. By asking for a Hello World script in Python, we can see the agent respond instantly, following its newly defined technical persona. It's fast, efficient, and ready to deploy.